In this video, you'll learn how to hire a handyman using TaskRabbit. By the end of this guide, you'll have a scheduled handyman service tailored to your specific needs. To start the process, navigate to the TaskRabbit website. If you already have an account, locate the login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials and click Login to access your account. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable, as a poor connection may affect the login process. Once you are logged in, you will see a search bar prominently displayed on the homepage. Type Handyman into this search bar. After you enter the term, TaskRabbit will provide you with a list of specific handyman services rather than a general option. Browse through the offerings and select the service that best matches your needs, such as door, cabinet and furniture repair or plumbing help. Each service will display a price range, which is important to consider when planning your budget. Next, you will need to enter your location to find available taskers in your area. Look for the field labeled Enter Your Location and input your address, zip code or city where the work will take place. This ensures that the taskers you see are within reach and can provide the service you need. After entering your location, the next step is to fill in the task details. A series of questions will appear based on the service you selected. These questions may ask for specifics, like the type of repair, materials you want to be used, and any special instructions you may have. Providing clear and detailed information is crucial for getting an accurate estimate of the work required. Once you've completed the task details, you will be directed to a page where you can browse available taskers. Here, you can compare different taskers based on their hourly rates, user reviews, and the number of tasks they have completed. To learn more about a specific tasker, click on their profile. After reviewing their qualifications and feedback, select the tasker that best fits your needs by clicking the Select button. The next step involves scheduling the task. You will see a calendar interface that displays the tasker's availability. Choose a date and time that works best for your schedule. Keep in mind that popular taskers may have limited availability, so it's advisable to book as soon as possible to secure your preferred time. Finally, review all the booking details to ensure everything is correct. If necessary, update your payment method before confirming the booking. Click the Confirm in Chat button to finalize your appointment with the chosen tasker. This action will complete your booking and open a chat window where you can communicate any further instructions or questions directly with the tasker. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.